Today again I discuss about COVID-19 from my personal experience. Nowadays the word COVID-19 is more or less familiar to everyone all over the world. From my experience and present scenario, want to say something new again about COVID-19. As we know, unlock begins in many countries all over the world. It required to follow many things about COVID-19. First of all, need to maintain minimum distance between two people wherever and whenever it may be. Someone forgot to wear mask or intentionally doing that. My personal experience forced me to tell that the few number of patients when came to me without mask, I told them not to treat without mask. Surprisingly, they answered, "We are not suffering from COVID-19." Now it's your turn to think why it's necessary to implement rule for wearing mask by the government. Important informations about mask and respirators. Mask usually not seal nose and mouth tightly. Are of two types: cloth masks, surgical masks. Surgical masks may entrap 20 to 80% particles according to manufacturing. Respirators tightly seal nose and mouth and air passes through filter. There are many types of respirators: N95, N99. N stands for not oil proof and 95 means capacity to entrap 95% of particles, whereas N99 means capacity to entrap 99% of particles. So respirators are more better than the masks. Another point I want to share with you about hand sanitizer. As its main ingredient is isopropyl alcohol or ethyl alcohol, which may cause dryness of the skin due to frequent uses. That's become a problem. So my advice to apply coconut oil daily at night on your palm, which may cause soothing effect on your palm. Nowadays, we are so afraid about COVID-19 consuming any kind of homemade remedies when someone advised to take. In that case, my advice to take normal diet as usual you did earlier. Obviously include some foods which helps to enhance our immunity. I discussed about it in my earlier episode about immunity and COVID-19. So read it. Again I repeat, as I have told you earlier, take extra precautions to your elder members because above 60 years of old are more prone to COVID-19, especially those people who are suffering from chronic diseases like cardiac, renal diseases, etc. Took extra precaution also to your younger members, I mean baby, or below the age of 5 to 10. Another important point is main route of coronavirus is respiratory tract, but it may enter in our body through eyes also. Remember that coronavirus not affect the respiratory tract only. It may affect other major organs of our body too. So be serious about that matter. Till date, the main symptoms of COVID-19 is fever, breathing distress, cough, as per our knowledge. But new symptoms are less appetite, delirium, redness of eyes, distress in mouth. Gradually, many symptoms may arise in future, So be cautious, and time to time I try my best to inform you about the new symptoms of COVID 19. Another important aspect to discuss from my end that we are using mask or respirator maximum time in a day. It may cause slight decrease in oxygen level in blood, may cause slight breathing discomfort. That not means you are affected by COVID 19. If discomfort persists when you are not using masks in home, then it's alarming. Thanks to all of you for watching my episode.